If you want to learn how to send photos on Messenger quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple step-by-step process so you can share pictures with your friends, family, or group chats in just a few taps. This is perfect whether you want to send one photo, multiple photos, or just make sure you're doing it the right way on Messenger. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. All right, let's get into it. First, open the Messenger app on your phone or tablet. Once you're inside, tap on the chat with the person or group you want to send photos to. If you don't already have the chat open, you can search for the name at the top and choose the correct conversation. After the chat is open, look for the photo or gallery icon near the message box. This icon is usually right next to where you type your message, and it lets you attach pictures from your device. Tap that photo or gallery icon to open your camera roll or photo library. Now, browse through your images and select the photo or photos you want to send. If you only want to send one picture, just tap it once. If you want to send multiple photos, keep tapping each one you want to include. On most devices, you'll see check marks or numbers appear as you select them, so you know which photos are ready to go. Before you send, take a quick moment to make sure you pick the right images. This is especially helpful if you're sending personal photos, work files, or pictures in a group chat. Once everything looks good, tap the Send button. Messenger will upload the photo or photos and deliver them to the chat. Depending on your internet connection and the size of the files, it may take a moment for them to appear. After they send, you'll see them posted in the conversation, and the other person or people can view them right away. If you ever want to send more photos later, just repeat the same steps. Open the chat, tap the photo icon, choose your images, and send. It's that simple. And if Messenger asks for permission to access your photos, make sure to allow it so you can choose pictures from your gallery without any issues. So, to recap, sending photos on Messenger is just a matter of opening the chat, tapping the gallery icon, selecting your photos, and sending them. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to tap. If this video made things easier for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.